Hello.
There you are. Alrighty, how you doing today?
I'm good, man. How about you?
I'm doing good, doing good. So we can go ahead and jump straight into it since I know you're on a time frame. Are you in front of a computer or are you just on your phone or what do you want
No,
right now?
I'm on my phone. I left my computer at home, but I'm pretty.
That's no problem. Yeah, that's no problem at all. So we'll go ahead and get you set up on the mobile app and then it would just be the same login credentials to get you logged
Hmm.
in on the computer, which I'll after this call I'll send you a text, with where to go to log in on
Okay.
your computer and everything like that. So we'll just go ahead and get this we'll go ahead and get the mobile side set up first.
Okay.
All right. And are you on Apple or Android?
Android.
Android? Okay. No problem. So you should be receiving the details shortly on the app to install. It's in the App Store or the Play Store in your case.
Okay.
And so your son's logo was added as well onto the website. It's under the About Us page. Did you
Okay.
want it added on the home page or is the about page good?
About page is fine. I
Okay.
just want to make sure that when they click on it, it doesn't go to our website where I don't want the resident thinking it's us
Right.
or
Okay.
the customer said, not the resident. I'm sorry, the customer.
Okay. Sounds good. Sir, and what would you like your password to be? Okay, there you go. And then let's go back here. And you were able to install that app link that I sent, correct?
Let me see. I'm downloading it now.
Okay, no problem. That works. Okay, and then let me just share my screen so I can get you trained fully on everything. Alrighty. So I believe on the initial Zoom call that we had, you said that you don't have a Google My Business page?
No, I do. I do
You
now.
do. Okay, you do now. Okay, yeah, so sounds good. So whenever you do get home, you set your password, your username is going to be your email. So you know that information. And then also,
Yep.
you first log in on your computer, you want to go to the Launchpad and you want to connect everything that you have right here, whether that's your Google My Business, your Facebook, your Stripe, if you had a Stripe, whatever the case may be, you just want to go down this list and just connect whatever you do have. And so what that's going to
Okay.
do is allow us to have a connection with your Google My Business page. And then same thing with your Facebook. It'll allow us to have that connection as well. So that's a one that you need to handle as soon as you can, just whenever you're on your computer. No rush, really.
Okay.
Um, and then the conversation. So this is going to be where all your conversations pop in. So whether that's a contact form, someone's trying to reach out to you through the live chat bot on your website, whatever the case may be, all
Okay.
that's going to be populating right here. Same with your
Okay.
Facebook DMs. So if you link your Facebook and any Messenger DMs or anything like that come through, they'll pop up right here under Conversations tab, and this is where
Okay.
you can respond to them. Yes, sir. And then this is going to be your calendar. So like we went over on the Zoom call, your calendar, this is where you can book quotes in, you can book your services in, electric job, whatever the case may be. This is where you'll go to
Okay.
book it in. And then all you would do is just click New. And then you just type in, or no, this is the calendar that you would select. Its service calendar is automatically populated in there, so no worries about that. And then the appointment title can be, let's just say it's an electric job and you just want to title it that. Then you select the team member, which is you, just so it knows who to go to whenever this appointment is booked. And then you select your time zone, and then whatever day and time that you need blocked off for that slot, you can
Okay.
choose it right there as well. And then you just click book
Okay.
appointment, and then our automations take over from there. It will send them, your client, a booking notification, and then it will send you one as well. And then also the day before, or no, the day of the appointment. I believe it's 4 hours before the appointment. Another text reminder will be sent saying, "Hey, don't forget, so and so is coming out from." So yeah, that's what we have set up as far as the calendars go.
Okay.
And then for the contacts, there's a lot of test names in here. We were just making sure all the automations work. Um,
Okay.
but yeah, we'll make sure to delete those because your CRM, this is pretty much where you're going to, this is like your client's hub in a way, or for you to see your clients, I should say. So anyone that fills out a contact form, anyone that tries to reach out to you through the live chat bot, whatever the case may be, they'll automatically populate right here. But let's say you ran into someone at your local, I don't know, gas station and they're interested in your services. You just click the
Hmm.
little plus sign and this all can be done on your mobile app. We'll go over that here shortly, but all you would do is just type in their first name and then last name, email, phone number, and then you click save down here. And the reason why you want to do that is because again, it's going to generate a list of everyone you've worked with, And this is how you can send blast email and text marketing if you wanted to do that. If you want to run a sale, whatever the case may be. That's why it's good to have
Okay.
that list.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And then I believe we went over the payments tab. The payments, this is just your invoicing, your general invoicing. You can, if you have a Stripe or PayPal or Square, that's who we integrate and work with. Then you can actually send professional invoices with your logo in the top left corner, all your payment details with your name, the name of your business, and everything like that. That's what I mean by payment details. And then you can even add notes as well. So pretty detailed invoicing system. It's there to use it. If you want to use it, it's included in your plan. But just wanted to let you know of that or remind you of that.
You said
And
this is included or it's not included?
it's included. Yes, sir.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Yes, sir. And then right here, this you don't really need to pay attention to any of these besides three things. It just looks different because it's on my screen. But the marketing tab, this is where I recommend you connect your Instagram, your Google My Business, or your Facebook, whatever you have. I know that's the same thing that you did on the Launchpad, but this is for your social media planner. So this is like a little bit
Mm-hmm.
different. So like I told you and your wife on that initial Zoom call, you can actually schedule out posts on those different social media platforms, whether it's your
Okay.
Instagram, Facebook, whatever the case may be. So I recommend connecting those. And then another one that I do recommend that you can keep an eye on is just reputation tab. And so with this reputation tab, this is where you can see your general reviews. So you can see what your average rating is across everything, how many review requests you have sent, and everything like that. So real simple to understand, pretty easy to navigate. And then the last one that I do recommend, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and take a look at these. This is the video trainings that we have on our platform. So you can have software tutorial videos. So if you have any questions, you can just click on that, watch some videos. We even give you
Okay.
some free stuff too, like Facebook and Instagram ads, all that stuff, just to help you
Mm-hmm.
out a little bit. So just some free bonuses. Um, but yeah, so you can either reach out to me, you can watch those videos or reach out to me, whatever the case may be. And we can go ahead and help you. No problem at all. That's included in your service package. So there's no problem about that
Okay.
at all. But yeah, so to really get into the automation side of things, there's only one automation that you really need to be paying attention to, and that's called our
Mm-hmm.
Google review automation. And so to fire that off, you would go to contacts, and let's say this is you and let's click on let's pretend like someone just came to your home and did an electric job. You would click on
Mm-hmm.
their name, you scroll down, and then where it says automation, let it load, and then you click add, and then there will be one called Google review request. All you do is just tap on that, click add, and then the automation is already fired off, and it'll ask them for a Google review, and it will actually only get you 4 to 5 stars through that review. So really
Okay.
handy for you. And this is what I cannot stress enough to businesses to help them climb the rankings. Kind of
Mm-hmm.
adding like that back boost burner that'll really
Yeah.
supercharge everything is Google reviews. That's going to be huge. So that's
Okay.
something that I would really focus on and stress on as of right now. And
Okay.
then yeah, so other than that, I mean that's pretty much everything. It's pretty simple, easy interface to understand. Let me share my phone screen and then we can go ahead and go over the mobile app and then we'll be all good to go. So here you are. All right, so the bell on the bottom left corner, this is just going to be your general notifications. So whatever, anything, contact forms, live chats, all those messages will pop up right here under the general bell.
Okay.
And then the left one, the text bubble, this is going to be messages that come through. So the kind of
Okay.
like the bell and the text bubble are kind of the same thing. They're going to populate with the same info.
Okay.
And then this middle one is going to be your invoicing. So like I said, if you have a account with Stripe, PayPal, or Square, then this is where you can do text to pay even if you wanted, or you can send a whole invoice, whichever you would like, and you can type in the amount, and then you can just send it off to a person that's in your CRM. That's why another reason why it's important to add people into your CRM. So again, you can send those invoices and everything is, tied together that way. And then right here, the one next to the little dollar sign with the circle around it, this is going to be your calendar tab. Like I said, if you're on the go and you want to book people in, you just click this plus sign, schedule appointment, click on the person's name, or you can add them in as well in the
Okay.
CRM right there if they're not already populated. And then let's say it's click on it, same thing, select team member, that'll be you. Select the date and time, appointment title, what the job is, click save. As soon as that save button is pushed, automations are automatically fired off and
Okay.
the client will know about it.
Okay.
And then the little people in the bottom right corner, that's just going to be your list of CRM. So again, you run into someone, click the plus sign, add manually, first name, last name, phone number, email. You don't have to worry about really date of birth or anything like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's everything. Now, just to simplify everything into one single button, this little lightning bolt, that's going to be pretty much everything that you need. Send an email, add a contact, book an appointment. I can say that you can use this request a review button, but that doesn't get you that 4 to 5 star only. I know you run a good business, so you can if you want to, but those 4 to 5 stars are really going to look good. Maybe someone gives
Okay.
you a 3. Maybe they're like a harsh, person you worked with. Um,
Right.
but yeah, and then you can create an invoice, make a call, send a text through there with the phone number that's tied to your account. So that's kind of like the general button for everything. So
Okay.
yeah, pretty much a pretty simple system. I mean, automations really take care of everything. The only thing is really just the Google reviews. That's the only thing that you really have to fire off. Oh, and just to show you that, let's again pretend you just worked on his house. You click on his name, scroll down, active campaign slash workflows, click add, and then where it says select campaign, you click Google review requests. You select the date and
Okay.
time as now, add, and then that's it. You don't have to worry about anything anymore. It automatically sends them the link, automatically does everything for you. So,
Okay.
yes, sir. And so I believe that is everything for the onboarding. You know your password. I'm pretty sure it's a password that you would or you like to use. So that's good. And then I'll send you a text with all the information on how to log in on your computer, and then we're all good to go.
Good, bud. Thanks for your help, man.
All righty. Thank you. You have a nice
All right.
rest of your
Thank
day.
you.
Bye.